Hello, hello, hello. This is Nestor Novio with Group 3. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're having a good day. Today will be a better day than the last episode. We are starting to slowly put this house together, and hopefully we will have better news coming up. Today's focus will be to change the air conditioning slash heating system. They will remove and replace both the outside unit, which is the actual AC part, and then that part up there. That part is called the air handler. Is basically the part that blows air throughout the central AC and heating system. The reason why they're going to replace the duct system that's found above the ceiling within the attic space is because it was either cracked or broken, and it was leaking cold air out. Because it's so hot in the attic, it condensates. So that condensation produces water. The water then leaks on the top of the ceiling, leaks into the house, and now ruins the ceiling. At the same time, it has created mold, and that needs to be replaced, because definitely if you were buying this house, you wouldn't want to be living in a house that has mold in it. They removed these covers. That was the bedroom, and here in the living room they've now replaced these vents. Here are all the ducts that they took out of the attic slash crawl space, so you could tell how messy, how old it is. So all of that's where it's all been leaking. And it looks like you could see how old they are. Lots of work. These guys are professionals. I commend them for what they do. And there's the actual AC heater unit. That is nice. All brand new, has a new foundation. So my understanding is that foundation is to make sure this unit doesn't fly away when there's a hurricane. Hopefully you enjoyed that installation of the AC heater. If you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, please leave it in the comments. Obviously, if you like this episode of Salamanca, please give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate your time watching the videos, commenting. We just love it all. Again, Thank you. We appreciate your time and have a good day.